All right, I'm putting on these diamond shingles as siding. They are usually for roofing. And I just wanted to note that when you cut them, it's helpful to have a nice pair of needle nose pliers to ply open the way that they attach to each other. They click into each other, gets crunched when you cut them, and you need to pry it open to look like that. And then I just wanted to note that your corners can be pretty epic. I know I DIY'd that flashing. Feel free to make snarky comments. This is, you have to do like the corners in whatever way you see fit. This corner is going to be really fun right here. But yeah, you move up, you get, these ones are, like each one is a little bit different. See how it's not, the taper of the diamonds is not the same as the taper of my roof. So anyway, but it ends up looking like pangolin scales, which is kind of cool.